Welcome to my channel. Today we learn about alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for horse. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for quill. Q for quill. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sheep. S for sheep. T for train. T for train. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for watch. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.